In this video, I will introduce you to various ways to use Turntable Plugin. In addition to a single actor, you can use multiple actors simultaneously. To rotate multiple actors together, select all desired actors and click the Create Asset Group button. This will organize all selected assets under the BP Turntables group. Let's take a look at the turntable panels one by one, starting from the top. Clicking the Log FPS button will display FPS information in the top right corner of the viewport. You can replace it with your desired HDRI. This allows you to review your assets in a lighting environment like Substance Painter. This is a method of reviewing lights and assets in real time while rotating them. To use this feature, you must first press the play button, pan the screen briefly, and then press ESC to exit. Then, by manipulating the dial, you can then manipulate the dial to rotate and review lights and assets in real time. This process is very useful for better understanding the interaction of lighting and assets and evaluating how assets look under different lighting conditions. Turn the dial to set the desired HDRI and asset angle, then click the Create Key Animation button. The sequencer will then start at the angle you set. You can adjust the brightness by adjusting the HDRI numerical value. Color charts are provided in two types. Please select the type you want and use it. Additionally, the position and size of the color chart can be freely adjusted, allowing for precise positioning. To save a specific camera location, simply press the number button on the camera bookmark. Even if your camera settings change, you can easily return to a previously saved camera position by clicking the Saved Number button. To delete a saved bookmark, click the corresponding number button again, then follow the pop-up instructions and click Yes. You can set the rotation priority of lights or assets in turntable animations. For example, if you set first turn to object and then press the Create Key Animation button, the key animation in sequencer will be set to rotate the asset first and then the HDRI. You can set the frame length of sequencer animations. For example, if you set the total frame to 400 frames and press the Create Key Animation button, a sequence matching the set frame length will be created. If you need a stage to place your assets on, you can load it by clicking the Stage button. In addition to the stage, we also have a studio plan, so please use it according to your project. Once the desired settings are complete, click the Create Key Animation button to create the sequencer. When you want to manage the sequence you worked on efficiently, you can save the sequence using the Copy Level Sequence function. The saved sequence is saved in the Turntable Level Sequence folder in the Content path. This feature allows you to manage multiple assets individually per sequencer. To modify the settings of a post-process volume, select BP Turntable Post-Process in the outliner and adjust the options for the desired post-process in the Details panel. If you want to return all settings to their initial state, you can reset them by clicking the Reset All Settings button. This is the last additional explanation. Once you have your lights set up the way you want, you can place them under the HDRI or object hierarchy. If you add lights inside the hierarchy of BP Turntable HDRI lights and rotate the HDRI, the added lights will also rotate when the HDRI rotates. If you add lights inside the hierarchy of BP Turntable group and rotate the object, the added lights will also rotate as the object rotates. Use this flexible plugin to improve your workflow and take your projects to the next level. Thank you.